Hi, my name is Steven, and today I'm going to answer a question which was posted by a user of Dropbox Backup plugin. Now this is his question. He tried doing a backup and the backup wasn't successful. The backup wasn't created. He got this error and he was unable to open file in binary red mode. So I would state the reason why he got this problem, and I'll tell you how he can resolve it, or how you can resolve it if you have this problem in the future. Now the reason is that the file permission code of his Dropbox backup folder is in a format that can't allow him create backup and can't allow him open files in binary red mode. So what he has got to do now is to change the file permission code of his Dropbox backup folder. So now the question is, how can he change the file permission code of his Dropbox backup folder? Now he has to first of all have access to his web server, to his web server. So if he can have access to his web server, then he can locate the folder, and then he can change the file permission code. Now, how to have access to your web server? He has got to install a file client, an FTP client software. Now, this software will enable him connect to the FTP of his web server. From there, he can locate the folder he wants and then change the file permission of that folder. Okay, so today we would work with FileZilla for FTP client software. Well, I'll tell you about one more software that can do the same function. We've got FileZilla and then WinSCP. But for today's video, we'll make use of FileZilla. Now, this is the name. I've clicked and searched, and this is the link to download the FileZilla client software. Click the link, and then it brings up this page, and you click to download the FileZilla client software. You install, and ready to use. So I've installed the software already in my system, so I'll just click to open the software. Now, what to do next? You can see there are boxes here you have to fill in informations. So this information, the host, the username, the password, and the port number, you have to get this information from your internet website host provider. So you have to meet your website host provider, and he is going to give you, or she is going to give you, the informations that are needed for you to enter in these boxes. So now after you've done all that, you have to you connect to your web server. Well, I've done all this, and I'll just need to bring up my web address and then connect to my web server. Now this is my web server, and the folder I need to click on to access my Dropbox backup folder is WP Contents. I'll click on this folder, and this is the folder I will have to change its file permission. So I'll highlight Dropbox backup folder because the plugin is what I'm going to make use of to do backup, or the plugin is what he had made use of to do his backup. So highlight the folder, right click on the folder, and then come down here to file permissions. I'll click on file permissions, and here is the box. I'll enter in the codes to give me the right to read, write, or execute. So I'll give you two codes that you can use for this operation. Now I will tell you about 755. With 755, you, the owner, has the right to read, write, and execute, while those in your group and those in your public have only the right to read and execute. Now I'll give you another code. Now this one is for everyone. So 777. With 777, you, the owner, those in the public and those in a group, they all have the right. You guys all have the right to read, write, and execute. So I won't recommend this for those who are using their website for business or for something very important. So it will be best you make use of 755, which will give only the owner the right to read, write, and execute. So when you change this file permission code, you'll have the access to do backup and then do other things you would want to do on your website, and that error wouldn't come up again. So I hope this video has been very informative for you, and I'd like you to click like for this video and try to subscribe to our channels. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Goodbye.